Today we are installing Drycore subfloor to this basement floor. As you can see, Cody is installing it. We will be doing the entire basement in it, then doing a laminate. This basement, we've been doing a renovation on it. We're kind of in the last steps. Here you can see the installation of this product. As he puts it down, it's much like a puzzle. That's what the back looks like. Product is called Drycore. It's used on shows such as Homes on Homes. Baumler uses it on his shows as well. The completion of the Drycore. Paint is completed. We will be installing laminate flooring starting tomorrow. Here's the bathroom. Just starting on the tile. Last few steps left. Do the flooring, do the baseboards. Ceilings are completed. Paint is completed. This is a continuation of Radway in Northwest Regina and the Lakewood area. This here is a shower that we're installing. We're redoing the bathroom on this house as well. So it's getting a bathroom renovation. The flooring will be coming out yet. The shower pan is in. We were going to be tiling this, so we've used cement board, which is the best product for doing a shower with tile in a bathroom. It stands up far better than drywall. So we'll be doing a vanity, toilet, shower, glass doors, new floor. Today's job is grouting tile. This shower surround has been completed. The tile's in place. The last step is the grouting. As you can see, he's wiping it down right now. Getting the grout into all the joints. And the glass doors will go on this shower and onto the rest of the bathroom.